Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ilyas. I work in YUEMING laser, and today I will introduce you to our hot-selling fiber laser marker MF-EA series. So, the first natural question: what kind of technical solutions are used in this machine? Well, first and foremost, let's take a look at this galvanometer scanner that is designed by our engineers and provides you with the best performance and durability in marking. The second important part of this machine is this die-cast lifting frame that is heavy, that is made out of metal. See, I'm a big guy, quite stable, so when you use it, your machine is going to provide you with stable performance of marking. Heavy means durability. And the third important part is the heart of this machine that is beating with the laser source that is installed inside here, and various laser sources are available for you: IPG, hands, MLPA, so it is up to you to choose when you will be contacting our engineers. So, the natural question would be, what can this machine actually do, and what kind of materials can it work with? Well, normally, the most traditional application for this machine is marking on plastics, sometimes even data wires, sometimes even alloy metals, sometimes even all sorts of tableware and so on, with the alternation of height in the material. Yes, this machine can do that also. So, your imagination really is your only limit. So, in order to prove my own words with actions, I will ask our engineer to make some samples for you. Let's take a look together. Well, in addition to the traditional applications of the fiber laser marking, sometimes you might also be able to do color marking, deep engraving with this machine. And what is important is that this machine can easily become a part of your production line in case if you have a conveyor. So in order to make sure all those questions, please contact our managers. If you're lucky, you'll be talking to me directly. My name is Ilyas, I work in YUEMING Laser, and I'm happy to introduce you to this machine. See you in next videos. Thank you.